AWS IoT Greengrass v2.16 addresses challenges in debugging IoT edge applications and securing resource-constrained devices. You can now upload system logs to AWS CloudWatch, enabling easier troubleshooting of IoT edge applications. The new System Log Forwarder component enhances debugging capabilities. For improved security, you can implement TPM 2.0 support in the Nucleus Lite version, allowing you to manage edge device security using hardware-based root of trust modules. This provides secure storage for secrets and streamlines device authentication, helping you scale IoT deployments with confidence. AWS has introduced a new tool to address the challenge of planning global deployments across different AWS regions. The AWS Capabilities by Region tool in Builder Center allows you to discover and compare AWS services, features, APIs, and CloudFormation resources across regions. You can explore service availability through an interactive interface, compare multiple regions side by side, view roadmap information, and access real-time insights via the enhanced AWS Knowledge MCP server. This tool helps prevent project delays due to service unavailability and enables informed decision-making for global deployments. Previously, containers needed root access to write to mounted EBS volumes in Amazon ECS, posing security risks. This new feature allows mounting EBS volumes to non-root containers, automating permission management. You can now enhance container security by running tasks as non-root users, reducing privilege escalation risks. ECS automatically configures file system permissions, enabling all containers within a task to securely read and write to mounted volumes regardless of user ID. This simplifies security-first deployments by eliminating manual permission management or custom scripts. The feature is available across all supported AWS regions for EC2, Fargate, and ECS managed instances launch types. Organizations need enhanced encryption options for their backups to meet regulatory requirements. AWS Backup now supports using AWS KMS Customer Managed Keys, CMKs, with logically air-gapped vaults. You can encrypt backups using your own CMKs, giving you more control over your backup strategy. This allows you to create air-gapped vaults with custom keys, use keys from the same or different accounts, and maintain centralized key management. The feature integrates with existing air-gapped vaults and can be implemented through the AWS Backup Console, API, or CLI, providing flexibility in how you secure your backups. Managing permissions and costs for S3 tables at scale can be challenging. This new feature addresses these issues by introducing tag support for S3 tables. You can use tags for attribute-based access control, allowing automatic permission management for users and roles accessing table buckets and tables. This eliminates the need for frequent IAM or S3 tables policy updates. You can also add tags to individual tables for cost tracking and organization in AWS Billing and Cost Management. The feature is available in all regions where S3 tables is supported, and you can implement it using the AWS Management Console, SDK, API, or CLI. Organizations face challenges in enforcing tagging standards and tracking costs for resources created through SageMaker projects. The new custom tags feature addresses this by allowing administrators to configure project profiles with tag configurations. You can pass key value pairs or keys with default values, which are then applied to all resources created by the project. This enables you to enforce tagging standards that comply with service control policies, implement consistent governance, and facilitate cost tracking across your organization. The feature is currently available through API in all regions where SageMaker Unified Studio is supported. Previously, CloudFront could only access VPC origins in the same AWS account, forcing customers with multi-account setups to use public subnets and additional security controls. The new cross-account VPC origin support solves this problem. You can now access VPC origins in different AWS accounts, use AWS Resource Access Manager to grant CloudFront access, keep your resources in private subnets for enhanced security, and simplify management of multi-account architectures. This feature enables you to leverage CloudFront's performance benefits while maintaining the security advantages of VPC origins across multiple AWS accounts. AWS End-User Messaging now offers carrier lookup to address message delivery challenges. This feature allows you to retrieve carrier information for phone numbers before sending messages. You can look up details like country, number type, dialing code, and network codes. This helps increase deliverability by verifying number information, avoiding incorrect destinations, and ensuring messages reach intended recipients. Carrier lookup is available across all regions where end-user messaging is offered, enabling developers to enhance their messaging infrastructure for use cases such as OTPs, notifications, and promotions.